Hello and welcome back to the channel, everybody. Yes, so we've just returned from West Bay Holiday Park down in Devon, which is a Parkdean site, and in this video I thought I'd give you a bit of a tour. Some of the roads building up to the park, so again you know what to expect when you're heading in, where to check in, and some of the actual facilities there once you're on site. So hopefully this will give you a lot of the information that you need, and as always, if you've got any questions then just drop them below and I'll try my best to answer them. Rightio, so as you're sort of approaching, this is the main road into the actual park itself. On the side there you've got your local spa, so again if you need any additional supplies, but also on the left as you go in there's quite a nice park here, which is literally like a 5-minute walk from the actual site. It's just there and plenty of parking if you decide you want to drive, but like I say, it literally is a 5-minute walk, and this is sort of taking you into the main area. Like I say, as per usual, lots of different fish and chip shops, but there on the left there, as you've gone past, there's a lovely bakery. So again, yeah, if you're looking for some nice pastries, definitely worth a visit. And again, like I say, it's right outside the actual main harbour, so it's a really nice location in terms of a site. And as you approach it here, it's just there on the right hand side, so again you can take it easy, but yeah, plenty of space. This is sort of just, this is the part of the actual park, so you've got an outdoor bar area here, and this is the main complex and reception as you come in. But again, this is the reception for the main lodges. The actual touring side you can just drive straight on in, so you don't need to stop here at all. And again, this is all sort of soft play in your main entertainment complex there on the left hand side, so if that's what you're looking for of an evening, then again it's only a short walk down. And this is just sort of taking you around. It's just a one-way system, and yeah, this just takes you up to the touring area ready for check-in. And just where this other caravan is, there's just a little hut there where you're just expected to stop and yeah, give over your details, and obviously they give you all your pitch details. But again, if you're turning up late, just make sure that you're actually stating that. So this was our pitch. It was fully serviced. I wasn't aware that that was what we had purchased at the time. I let Louise sort of order and do the booking on this one. Like I say, we got in okay. Bit of a squeeze with the fan, but the awning itself we could only tie down front and rear. There wasn't the space for the straps on the side, but again, it wasn't overly blowy, so it wasn't really much of a concern on that front. But yeah, really nice service pitch. Ground was suitable in terms of getting the pegs in and everything, so yeah, a real nice setup in the end. And then your wastewater was just down sort of alongside the bushes, and then you've got a water supply at the back of the van itself. So yeah, really nice setup they had here. But again, lots of other kinds of pitches that they had. You don't have to have fully service, and whether you're in a motorhome, a tent, a van, again, lots of options there. So definitely worth checking out on the website just to see what takes your fancy. So this is the laundrette, your Elson point, and your toilet block on the left hand side. Could do with being a bit spruced up a bit, but totally fine. So this is the main park that's actually on site. It's a fair size, lots of sort of swings and slides and stuff for the kids. Over the far side there is your swimming pool, then it goes on to your local sort of shop, and then bolted onto the side of that is your arcade. So yeah, certainly plenty there. Pools of a nice size, but yeah, if you need any, if you've got to bring anything, there's your sort of complex to go and have a look. So as I said at the beginning, you are right next to the harbour. It's like literally across the road, as you would have seen when you drove in. But yeah, like I say, always kids here crabbing and lots of activities going on in and around the harbour, so definitely worth a little wander. and plenty of shops, both all around the harbour basically, if you just have a little venture out. But yeah, this morning we decided to take Roxy for a walk, me and Louise, so yeah, it was nice just to stretch our legs. But yeah, like I say, weather was on our side on that day. And again, you've got Freshwater Beach, the other holiday park at the end of the beach there, so again you can wander down to that location and see what's going on. And like I say, you can sort of either go up the hill or the cliff face, or along the beach itself. But yeah, you just need to watch the tide on that, because you don't want to get trapped. And definitely watch out for the seagulls, as Izzy found out the hard way when she saw it just go flying off. And this is back the other side now, and you can rent a normal rowing boat this side, and there's plenty of pubs, so again, if you're looking for somewhere else to eat, you've got these as options. But again, this is just on the riverside, so again it's a bit calmer, so yeah, worth a little look. And then this is now back at the top of one of the hills, and that's the park you can see on the left. So again, we've just taken Roxy for a little wander out and about. But yeah, like I say, a really nice location, plenty of places to go walking, running, cycling, that kind of thing. So yeah, as always on a nice day, yeah, certainly lots to do. And then this is just your local bar that's actually on site, so again, if you're looking for a bit of a drink in the summer and sunshine. Rightio, so this is now leaving. You'll notice obviously, yeah, it's a one-way system, one way in, one way out. And yeah, like I say, you've got plenty of space here, so again, nothing to worry about when exiting. And all this does is just take you back around where the swimming pool side is itself. Rightio, so that's it for this week's video. Hopefully you found it useful. Hopefully it's given you an idea of what to expect if you're visiting this location. Lovely part of the world, lots to do there in terms of sort of getting out and about, all on your doorstep as well. So yeah, any questions, drop them below, and if not, I will see you all on the next one. Cheers everybody.